Guys, the book that I'm going to read to you today is called Pizza Parts, and it is actually a math concept reader, which is about fractions and teaching you how you can cut pizza. But it's also a fictional story because it's about a girl and her birthday party, and there are characters in here and a setting, which is a pizza parlor. So this is a fictional story, but the real information is about the fractions. Pizza parts. Chapter 1, Elena's birthday plans. Elena is excited. Today is her birthday. She is going to have a party. She is happy to celebrate her special day with friends and family. Her family owns a pizza parlor. They serve pizza and other foods. Elena loves to go there after school. It always smells so good. Her mom and dad both work there. They tell Elena that she can bring her friends to the pizza parlor and she can bring them after school on her birthday. Elena goes to the pizza parlor with her friends. She is surprised that the restaurant is dark when she first opens the door. Suddenly, the room lights up. Her whole family shouts, "Happy birthday, Elena!" Elena's family has decorated the restaurant for her birthday. Balloons and streamers hang from the ceiling. There is a giant happy birthday sign hanging over a big table. Elena's little brother Dante said he helped make the sign. Elena gives him a big hug. Here's a picture of the pizza parlor for her birthday. Chapter 2, Pizza Fractions. Elena smiles as she invites her friends to sit at the big table. She invited 14 friends to her party. Elena's father says they can order any type of pizza they want. They read their menus. There are so many kinds of pizza, it's hard to decide. Elena and her friends talk about what they want to eat. They decide to order in small groups. That way they can all have the kind of pizza they want. Sophia and Priya want a small pizza that is 1/2 cheese and 1/2 mushroom. Elena's father writes, "Small pizza, 1/2 cheese plus 1/2 mushroom" on his notepad. He says, "This is how we write 1/2. The number below the line tells the number of equal parts the pizza has been divided into. The number above the line tells us how many of the equal parts we're talking about." Priya says, "One of 2 equal parts has mushrooms. The pizza will be 1/2 cheese and 1/2 mushroom." So this is 1/2. 1 out of 2 is cheese. 1 out of 2 or half is mushroom. Then you have your math words, the numerator and the denominator. So the numerator is the number of equal parts you're talking about, and the denominator is the number of equal parts in the whole, the total. "Parts of a fraction have special names," says Sophia. "The number above the line is called a numerator." Priya adds, "The number below the line is called the denominator." In the fraction 1/2, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Dylan listens to Priya and Sophia. "Are you going to eat that whole pizza? I like both cheese and mushrooms on my pizza." Priya and Sophia say they will have enough to share with Dylan. Sophia wonders, how can we share the pizza so that we each get the same amount? We can use fractions," replied Priya. Dylan says, "We can divide the pizza into thirds," because there's 3 kids now. "We will each have 1/3. Elena's father says, "Okay, 1/3 is how we write the fraction 1/3. It means 1 part out of the 3 equal parts. Sophia and I will have 2/3 of the pizza," says Priya. "The 3 of us will have 3/3 of the pizza." So here's a picture. It's cut into 3 now. This is 1/3. This is 1/3. And Dylan likes both, so he gets a third, but it has cheese and mushroom. The next group is ready to order. Eduardo, Kelly, Lexi, and Seth want to share a medium pizza. All of them like vegetables. Seth asks, "How can we share this pizza equally?" Lexi says, "We can divide the pizza into fourths." This means we divide the pizza into 4 equal parts. 1 share of the pizza is 1/4. 1/4 is also written as 1/4. 1/4 means 1 part of the 4 equal parts says Elena's father. We will each have 1/4 of the vegetable pizza. So here's a picture. These are all fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, and everybody gets 1/4 of the pizza. 4 more friends place their order. They want to share a large pizza. Elena and Thuy want olives on their pizza. They do not want mushrooms. Melissa and Logan want mushrooms, but not olives. Melissa asks, "How can we all get what we want?" Elena says, "We can order a pizza that's half olives and half mushrooms." "Thoy and I can share the olive half equally," says Elena. "Melissa and Logan can share the mushroom half equally. We will each get the same amount of pizza," says Thoy. So look at, there's still 4 of them. They each get 1/4, but half the pizza has olives and half the pizza has mushrooms. Raise your hand if you like olives. Maybe not. Raise your hand if you like mushrooms. I do, but I didn't like mushrooms on my pizza when I was a kid. Logan says, "Melissa and I will share half the pizza. The pizza will be cut into fourths. Melissa and I will share 2/4. We will each have 1/4 of the pizza." Melissa says, "I can see 2/4 is the same amount as 1/2 of the pizza." Elena's father says, "That's right. I will bring you a pizza with half olives and half mushrooms. You will each have 1/4 of the whole pizza." "We all will get the kind of pizza we want," says Thoy. 4 other friends want to order some green pepper pizza and onion pizza. Evan says, "We can order a pizza that's half green pepper and half onion, but how can we all share it equally?" Daniela draws a circle on her napkin. She divides the circle in half. "Now I will divide the circle into 4 equal parts," she says. Then she divides the circle again and again, and now the circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Daniela says, "We can divide the pizza into eighths." 8 equal parts. Oh my gosh. This is when you order a pizza most of the time, they cut it into eighths. So there's 8 pieces. Elena's father says that fractions are used to name a part of a whole, like a slice of pizza is a fraction. Fractions can also name a part of a group, like one person on a team. Elena's friends laugh. None of them have ever been called a fraction before. Next, the friends make new teams and play pretend animals. They will play with 2 teams. 8 people are on each team. Each person is 1/8 of a whole team. They take turns acting like different animals. Soon all the guests are laughing. So here's a group of friends. Imagine 4 kids here and 4 kids here. And then this is 1/8 of the people. So one person's going to take a turn being an animal. Then the next 1/8 person will take a turn. So this is 1 out of 8 friends. Elena had a wonderful birthday party with her family and friends. It is almost time for everybody to go home. Elena's friends ask if they may help clean up. They put the pizza pans and dishes on a cart. Elena's father takes the cart into the kitchen and everything is put away in no time. Now it's time to say goodbye. Elena has had a great birthday. Her family and friends have had such a good time at the celebration. Elena thanks each guest for coming to her party. The guests thank Elena and her family for such a wonderful time. And here are your math words: denominator, eighths, fourths, fractions, half, numerator, and thirds. So, in first grade, you guys are learning all of those. I hope you guys enjoyed this book, Pizza Parts. The real information is about math, but the story about Elena is actually fiction. So have a good day, guys. Bye.